never summer uno, bro. Man with I day in the streets, bro. Paranoid, dog. That's what I say, bro. Things when I go through around here, over here, bro. Yeah, bro. Uno motivate me. Just know, say, everybody will be a part of my life, yes, sir. Just know, say, uno motivate me, bro. And I appreciate you for that. That's what I say. Yeah. 99% of them respect you, man. Rate you, see? No joke about that. One map, everybody big up on yourself. Big up Z, Blaze, big up yourself. Yeah, man. I just know, say, I motivate me. You see what I say, people? Yeah. I make man go harder. I make me there, so I do it, and I go harder. You see what I say, man have talent, bro. Yeah, man. ZJ, Blaze, Blaze, big up yourself. A whole heap of people, bro. I try for me come off of the apps and it just not gonna happen, bro. So them hate on me, bro, and want me come off of the apps, bro. Yeah, bro. And at the end of the day, it just not gonna happen, bro. Not gonna happen. It is not gonna happen, bro. Nah, got him, bro. Nothing when a man do not got him. Alright, this is a fake page. Yeah. It's a fake page. You don't ever follow me. You can hold on me. Because it don't make sense for my life. Yeah, you don't make sense, bro. Yeah, hold on me. Yeah, man. Sit down with that me there. Sit down with that, bro. Yeah, man. Like I say back to me and say, be people. It's so far someone gone with the negativity, though. Eh? It's so far someone gone. Gucci and Fucci and Ray. Move on a dirty blood clit. Big up yourself, King James and rule it. Big up on yourself, everybody. Yeah, I truly never see people wear Gucci at England, bro. A Gucci wear and Louis Vuitton. Up King James. A Louis Vuitton I have on my foot, bro. A Louis Vuitton this. Louis Vuitton, Louis. Louis. And Louis jeans, bro. See it here? Louis jeans, bro. Louis Vuitton jeans, dog. Bumbuckle. I put some respect on my name. Yeah. Stop your capping. I look like me a real cap, you know, see me a bald head, man. Me not real hot, bro. From one day, me not real hot, cause summertime, you know. So me not want the dirty time over me again. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some respect on my name, dog. What up, Shung, I that them not Shung, them not have image like me, no Shung. And that I kill them, no Shung. None of them pan the apps not have image like me. I'm sure them, I'm sure. Big up yourself, everybody. Shung, none of them have image like me. Shong, none of them have them imager, Shong. Shong, none of them pan the apps have them imager. Hey, Shong. None of them have any apps have them imager. None of them pan the apps have them imager. Tell the truth, no man. It's no man fresh pan the apps. Just come on up, people. Tell me which people pan the apps have them Snow White they are. Them lick they way kill nobody. What am I talk about, bro? Like, come on, bro, dog. We are do this thing for it. Soft, bro. Like, what am I talk about, bro? I'm give them a licks again, Sean. And show them all my thing set. Is
here's a big egg. Here's a small egg. Here's a giant, super tall egg. A appears in words like egg. And also when you shout,
Sean, none of them have them licks, yeah? Hey, Sean.
hooray! I'm saying this letter's A-OK. Let's find
Louis Vuitton bell.
Wait a minute. This big
Brother, she in no bum buckle, dog. That me I try to tell you, uno, bro. You know, see, I'm Mackenzie, that dog. You know, see the licks, bro. What I talk about she? Bro, that me I try to tell you, so. Brother, none of them on the apps can have, like, image like my dog. Like, when I talk about image, bro, I'll not put my name in it on a bad mind then. When I talk about image, nobody not put my name in it on a bad mind, bro, cause not one of them, bro, not have them licks, bro. What you talk about? I see some man, normal people there on the apps and them talk about them man they have image. Image them bumbuckly, dog. Bro, when we are here tracksuit rate at it best. See when we are here tracksuit rate at it best, bro. When like watch out. When we are here tracksuit rate at it best, bro. Like come on now, bro. When I talk about bro, who's image and Dolly? You know, so image, bro. I'm teaching you something, bro. You see, image and Dolly them can't dep on my level, bro. Like image and Dolly is who to image. Who's image and Dolly to image? Man, they have image, bro. Come on, bro. Stop playing with me game, now, bro. Wanna do a talk about image and Dolly? Image and Dolly have image. Who the frick is image and Dolly? Them man there, none of them have image. I'm showing you something for before. I'm showing you something again. Self-made screenshot. This is what they people. Something simple that. When I talk about image That is just an all white me there go on party over here. Yeah, all white me there go on. Take the 21 plus near it. Just a simple all white me there go on party here, so. Bro, come on, don't have image, bro. I don't have image. Me say them bumbuckly people have bad mind, you know, man. Me can show you image of these people. We are talking about, like. Alright, me I show now. Me I show now another image. Right, like. Recent at the safe screen record live. Anime, upload, iCloud, Instagram, WhatsApp. No. Let me see. How am I gonna get to it? Mosa. What want to say about this, people? What want to say about this? Eh? Abby, good morning. What go on? What want to say about this? What want to say about this? People want to stop put. Why is it that them people are just people want to stop being such a haters, people? One Abby freshness. No, cause me I gotta take them some of them people. I want to say about this. Look now, people. Cheap and clean, you move your bumbo cleat. You know, see Gucci and them blood cleat thing there. But cheap and clean, but you're bright. But cheap and clean, but you're bright, man. The boy they could have bright and licking blood clean head or cheap and clean. No really nothing as cheap and clean, man. Me not really cheap clothes, bro. Wrong money I come to, bro. Me not really cheap clothes, bro. No, dog. We not do them shit there, bro. You notice say anything when you see me wear and you never see nobody in them yet. Just the boss as cheap and clean. Me not really nothing cheap and me not really none of them shit there, bro. No, dog. No, cause the reason why me I show two things, you know, because some of them people like might feel to say a joke thing me depend is it. So I show them one and two things. The bro G don't feel like say bro G don't have him style and him image and him pattern. Yeah, bro. So I can't find enough of my picture of them, you know, bro, like. iCloud, not that self-made animation. Think me have to go pee up on this blood clot here. People, this is how I'm there Jamaica, you know. This is how I'm there Jamaica. This is how when Laura just see me at Jamaica, people. See from there at Jamaica, I'm fresh. Move on the blood clot and go. This is how when see from there at Jamaica, I'm fresh. Yeah. Yeah, see see people. I something simple this, me there got a beach that day with my wife. Yeah, something simple, put a different color. Now me I say this how me go beach with my wife. You don't know the badness said. I last year picture this a last year me take that picture here. Last year me take this here picture here. When we go beach. Yeah, last year I take that picture there. So people, I don't want to show nothing. Shung, them don't know the badness, Shung, them. I true, watch her. I true, me know how internet stay. Like people with bad mind after. So me now go come on the internet every day and give them image after image. Them I go bad mind you. Cause me see somebody say, for me think a while ago say, oh yeah, TikTok money start make you look clean. Me I say, I want to that idiot they about TikTok money. Make them move them blood clean. Me I look clean from Jamaica days, bro. A Jamaica me days, so bro. A Jamaica me this and look for me. A Jamaica this. This a in a what you call it? A Jamaica. This a in a what name? That place the name again where they sell the thing them. Jamaica days this. Option pastor, big up yourself. This a me tell you where me did go again. A Jamaica, me I tell you exactly. Them sell some big burger there. See the juice there. And me and when my wife come look for me in Jamaica. Yeah, I buy that suit there. And look at what me have on my foot. Subway, yeah, Subway at Jamaica. So, what the bum buckling some people talk about say, TikTok do this, see me, TikTok, bro. Yeah, but I know TikTok do everything for me, bro. From me there Jamaica, I been a ball hard, dog. I been a ball hard. Yeah, bro, so. That girl pissed me off when she said that, bro. TikTok do this, TikTok do that, bro. Come on, bro. Me I do it from me there Jamaica, bro. Like things. Bro, that's why you can't say, you can't know if a man an actor, if a man naturally play or this or that. Because we don't that the inside of a man, you can't know him. From me, you have to do things from there blood click Jamaica, bro. Them say dance a yard before you can dance abroad, bro. So I been a dance a yard before I come abroad. Yeah, bro. I don't know, joke thing. See ya? See ya, bro. This is how I'm there Jamaica, bro. This is how I'm there Jamaica, bro. Like, me there in my yard. I'm yard that me there in, bro. Me a drink Hennessy from, and me there, all on the think me look here, so. Look here, so. This is how I'm there Jamaica. My wife catch me as a clean youth already. Me there live dream of Jamaica, bro. Me never there for come foreign, really, bro. I because I got pregnant my wife, bro. And she want me come here so with me youth. But, and I like, cause, watch her. When me a young youth I grew up, bro. Be a big woman used to love me. Sugar and water in a bumbo cleat, dog. What you talk about sugar and water? Sugar and water where? Sugar, that me I try to tell you no. Sometimes I tell you no things and I feel like say as some gimmicks thing me depend, bro. Yeah, dog. The man them say brown sugar and brown this and brown that. Blood clot. That's so bad mind active. And from there Jamaica me I do it, bro. Bro, and me make look. When me there Jamaica, bro. When me there Jamaica, dog, woman used to like love me off, bro. Like any woman me go around them ever want to give me that car. Them ever compliment that car. Them ever compliment me, bro. I say, Deverell look nice and Ray. Yeah, dog. Before me even meet my woman, bro, me have woman are flying for me, bro. But some woman just give me one stand and move. Is it? Cause remember them time them not serious, you know, bro. Me not look no relationship, you know, bro. Is what me I say, bro. Me just there catch. Easy myself, bro. And bag of girl used to see me and love me off, bro. But me as a man, me never look for a woman unless opportunity is there. Yeah, you know get what I mean. I have ambition. It no mean opportunity for just me not go look for a woman unless she can help me in certain way. That is ambition. Me not go there with a poor woman who can't help me and give me nothing. Me not go suffer myself for one woman and tie down myself and frig up my life. That's why I say me not go ever do that. Every single time I talk Laura, you dip in my argument and I say hello this and hello that. Me not talk. When me talk, me not talk you, me talk about myself. Me not go ever there with a woman who can't help me. It's better than thing, bro. And them and them woman are there in a relationship today there. The woman gone left them. And them there back. See it again, people. See it again, people. Oh, me look here, so people. Great that swagger. Mitchell Lewis, big up yourself. A Jamaica, me there, so people. Them time I'm a big woman take me go on blood cleat party, people. My big woman take me go on hotel, so. I tell you, say, me the day that woman was 50-year-old dog. Then time I just 20, me there 20 years so. Then time I live life, bro. Like me there just turned 20 years so, bro. And a big woman see me and love me half dog. Yeah, dog. And she used to spend money for me dog and everything like that. Them time I just 20 dog. I live the dream and me there, yeah, dog. So, and I like, me did basically have to go Jamaica. If you say, alright. Me I go really go. When me there Jamaica, me been a live the dream, bro. And I like, I come foreign and that's why somebody has said, TikTok money make. You look clean. I say, what the frick that person there say, bro? That's why I show the old picture with me there at Jamaica. Me say, are that person taking the piss? What? Bro, that person didn't even know so they hurt my feelings by saying that, bro. TikTok money, make him a live there, make him start way too close. Me say, where what? Could I? So what that blood clip person they take me from? They want answer. Reply to the comment and tell that person about them blood clip, but me say, low it deaf. Yeah. Alright, let me see if I can show you something. Because I say, now that person they taking the piss. Yeah. Let me see that. Let me see this. No. Alright. Alright, this is how my big man they come in and me a roll deep. See it, people? This is how my big man used to rent and me a roll deep. This is how my big man did rent and me there a yard. Yeah? I'm sure you say, and a lie me I tell, because me I show you something. When you see that, that's how me and my big man used to roll, you know. And me there roll deep. Then time I don't know Laura, I don't know nothing about, I don't know Laura. I just stay a while out my young days with girl. Cause everywhere I go, all girl want me. So then time there,